Hey guys, if you want to know how to apply for Walmart jobs online, then this is the right video. At first, go to Google and search for Walmart jobs online, just like so. And then click on the first link that comes up. Once it loads, you can search for anything that you want, whatever job you want to, if there's something specific. For now, I'll just click on healthcare and let's just say I go to Walmart Health. After that, I have to scroll a bit down and then it's gonna show me right there what are all the options available. So I'm just gonna click on one of them just to show you guys. And then let's just say I wanna go to the second one. I wanna select the second one. So I click on it and then I click on apply. After this option loads up, we have to create an account and then it's going to ask us basically a bunch of questions. We have to provide them all and that is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.